This video is to show the end of day process. First thing we need to do with the end of day process is how are you going to be dealing with your revenue, i.e. if you receive deposits, do those deposits convert to revenue as soon as you get that revenue, or does it convert to revenue at check-in? If it does, we need to have that set, and that will be shown in a different video. To go to the end of day, click the end of day button, start shift, select. Right. You can either do now, or you can specify a date and time if you want to do a previous end of day. For this one, we're doing now. So we're going to select, it's listed as Leslie. Normally we have Leslie, we have other persons here. If you're doing your own cutoff, you select your name and maybe system. So in here we're going to select all. Then click continue. Once you click continue, you will put in what is in your cash till or your float. So you put your coins. If there's a float, you can put it here. You would tally your checks. You can go to your card machine. You can and after you get your reading for your Visa total and your MasterCard totals, you can put them in. Once those are put in here, you click process. All right. Once you've processed, as you can see, there is a difference here, but normally you should have had the information in here for your cash and for your check and for whatever types of payments. With end of day, do not worry about anything that says transfer. These are just funds in the system. These are not what you deal with on a day-to-day basis. You can reconcile. So you can always go in here and see where payments were. So you can check your types of payments. And if we see that there was a payment such as this one, which should have been put in as check also, you can get the invoice or you can get the reservation number. If you get that information, you can always go to that. You can always go to that and change the payment type so that the system then reads the correct payment. Once you've done that, everything comes back to zero. You can then click submit. If it's not back to zero, you can click the comment button box, put your comment in, and the system then will give you the correct, would allow you then to click or submit, and this would allow you to put a comment in as to what was done or how it was, or why it is short or why it's over. Once you've done that, you click submit. Submit. Yes. It gives you a cutoff number. Alright, so that cutoff has been completed. We have the option here to print. You can have the end of day and you print that. That gives you your cutoff report. I see it gives you the comment, shows you your payments, shows you how the revenue came in, shows you the breakdown, and has everything here broken out for you. Alright. You can click the history. You can set your date range. You can search. You can also search by cutoff date. I click view. You have then your option to print that report again. Thank you. Bye bye.